Hello. Today we have a Scherr-Tumico optical comparator model 2600 with a 30 inches screen, has a profile illumination and surface illumination. Comes with a comparator, and the movement of his table is electronic, controlled by this joystick. The control electronic for this machine has two options. You can move this slow to adjust your piece, and a rapid movement, just pressing this button. And the other option is a rapid movement. Up and down, and left and right. This comparator came with two lenses. Right now we have a 20x, but in the inside compartment there is another for 10x. This handle allows us to control the focus of this piece. And another feature that this machine has is the intensity of the profile could be adjusted. Let me show you. This is the minimum. This is the maximum. This comparator has halogen lamps for profile and for the surface illumination also. Has the original paint, and his movement is really smooth and fast when you need it. So this is all about it. Thank you for watching this video.